Hey guys! In this lesson, you will become deeply acquainted with English compound words, definition, and examples. Compound words are formed when two words are used together to create a new meaning. A new word with their own distinct meaning in linguistics. Since the English language has evolved and has led to so many compound terms, many individual words have been overlooked. Compound words can be written in three ways. Open compounds, which is spelled as two words. For example, ice cream, school bus, police officer, high school, hot dog, web page. Closed compounds, which is two words joined to form a single word. For example, afterlife, birthday, runaway, eyeball, firewall, classmate. Hyphenated compounds, which is made by two words joined by a hyphen. For example, long-term, follow-up, well-being, two-faced, get-together, self-esteem, check-in. Sometimes, more than two words can form a compound. For example, brother-in-law. Compound words, like many other aspects of the English language, are the outcome of language evolution. Two words are often used together in speech and writing. They become increasingly close in meaning over time. Typically, this occurs first in speech and then in writing, where compounds are recognized as words in their own right. The closed compound word notebook is a good example of this. We would have called it a book to write notes in before the word notebook was introduced. However, sometimes compounds are produced as a result of a language gap. For example, the word football would have been coined out of necessity because the game would have lacked a name to begin with. The act of kicking the ball with the foot is thought to be the origin of this compound, which is a compound of foot and ball. In this video, I discussed compound words in depth. Hope the information provided was helpful. You can make your ideas more fascinating and descriptive for audience by using compound terms in your speaking. Thank you for watching.